here we go, guys. This is what it looks like when you finally set up your free movies. Free to me. Okay, we'll see what that's about. Okay, pay my bill, all kind of good options. Let's go. And there you go. Here's what we have going on here. We got the free to me option, live TV, new music, and I'm guessing that's weather. I want to see what the live TV is like because I actually just have the internet package alone. So let's see what we have. Nick Jr. Okay. Oh, History Channel. This is my favorite thing, guys. History Channel. Okay. Not the best of channels, but hey, it's free, so you can't complain. Some of these I've never seen before. Some I have seen, like TMZ. Didn't know they had a channel. Comic book. Let's see what that's about. Okay. Now I'm still going down, so this is all this free channels to the best of my knowledge. And I get more channels than I would with the regular antenna from the TV. Wow, that's a lot of free stuff. Okay, let's see what we got over here in movies. And I'm assuming all of these are free. A couple old ones, if not all of them are old, but hey, you can't complain, dude. You got free TV, free movies, on demand. Let's see what that's about. Okay. We still got the free movie sections, comedy, action, free. That's cool. I'm gonna go back. Let's see. If there's anything you guys want me to explore on this here box, just feel free to shoot a comment below, and I'll do my best to try to read them and keep up. If I don't, just know it's nothing personal. There's probably too many of them to read. My TV, okay. Fox Sports. But there you guys have it. As you can see, it does work. Peace.